So technically, my read yesterday was on point, right?
Yeah,
Short overnight high, then long backtest.
we kind of have the same idea, I think. Similar idea,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just wanted a deeper backtest, and we actually got it. So, but I mean, yeah, we also got a higher high on the 5, which I didn't think we would get. So, yeah, yeah. The timing is always so hard. It's the only problem, I think,
yeah.
overall. Yeah.
SPY's at new all-time high, right? I think
Right at it, I think, right?
692.
Oh, ES is not. ES is not.
Yeah, 692.32.
ES has not done a new all-time high, but SPY did, right?
Yeah,
Mm,
I think so. Anyways, did it? Maybe not. 692.32. No, it's not. Oh,
yeah,
yes, it
same
did.
as.
Yeah, well, yes, it did. Yes, it did.
Uh,
Yesterday, put in at the very end of the day, it kind of did. And yeah, we're gonna open right about all-time high again.
mm. We've seen that so much, like yesterday, where you get a deep retracement and then afternoon price action moves the market upside.
Yeah,
We're not seeing shallow pullback and then like straight going like we saw last year when we were near all-time high. We saw that a lot more then.
honestly, at this rate, it looks like we could continue higher based on how we're setting up. 624 on QQQ. Not near all-time high, but we did hold that trend line really nicely, which is nice. That was actually a really nice long there.
Yeah.
I think we still have a little bit more room higher, actually. Came to an overall nice area, though.
Yeah.
I'm looking for 625, though, on QQQ. And then, yeah,
Still
like,
think
I think all-time high, maybe.
uh, I still think we could possibly sell down to the trend line again, 600,
Mm-hmm.
and then quick squeeze higher if we don't see the pop all-time high today on ES here.
Yeah, I like this flat state that we're kind of setting up in right now on the 4-hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks nice. I kind of like that.
830, 830 was my target though on the upside there. So I'm not gonna. No, I think it just probably if we're gonna see more upside, we're gonna see all-time high.
I'll probably just say
Overall,
26,000, I guess, right? Would be first target up.
yeah. I am not 100% sure I like upside today, but we'll see. I could be wrong. We had ECM and Yolts at
Apple's sitting in that imbalance. Oh, it's on the lower end of that imbalance. Look at that. That's nice. So it sold down some more. Broke down from that head and shoulders.
yeah.
Sold
Should
down
be
a
able
little
to
bit
kill
more.
that.
Yeah, you should be able to fill, yeah. Down to 260.
Yeah.
And then get bought, hopefully. So that's actually quite nice. Microsoft sold quite a bit yesterday, right? I think. No, it actually broke upside from that
It's
fall.
sold and then broke.
Yeah,
Sold to that low and
yeah,
it was one of the stronger afternoon tickers. It
yeah.
was weak pre or intraday market and then went to the lows and then
We actually have
from
room.
high.
Still upside, actually. We held that lower end really nicely. Pretty big buy up there. So We should rotate back towards 488, 490 probably, upper end of the range, which is about another $10 or so for upside.
I don't like the volume on Microsoft, by the way, on the low end there for higher.
Mm.
For me, I want to see more volume coming in on this daily close.
See, Google looks okay. Not much has really changed. I know we actually sold the trend line yesterday.
Yeah,
Lost it.
backtesting it now.
Backtesting right now, yeah. So we'll
We
see how
already
this actually
backtested
goes.
once though, so you see that on that pop, we backtest and then
Yeah.
sold to the lows again almost. Then so buying into that, but we still has no candle close above. But
Yeah, daily doesn't look great. I guess it's okay. It's alright, I guess.
but regardless, it should be making a lower high or higher high here on this following days that coming. Probably should see some movement, but hard to tell if it's upside or downside. I think on Google.
Alright, Nvidia. Still setting up nicely in its range. Yeah, we did pop up to 192, which was nice. Popped up towards the higher end of the range, sold. Came back to the lower end. Yeah, just stuck in range still. Big range overall, so below 186 and above 193 is our breakout. So that's what we'll probably look for. And we also have that imbalance that's sitting a little bit below us as well. 4-hour liquidity right here.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Carlos.
Morning.
How is it looking?
Looking decent. Decent. Not much really has changed. Oh, well, we put an all-time high on SPY yesterday.
Oh,
That idea of that trend line that we were holding yesterday on QQQ on the 4-hour, it did hold up pretty nicely. I think we still have a little bit of room higher still, overall, just based on some tickers, but I also like QQQ still overall on the 4-hour structure. We might be able to set up in like a flag and then continue to pull higher, so we may not see upside today. It's possible, actually. Well, we might be able to, but yeah,
No,
held that trend line pretty nicely. Exactly how I wanted to, and then we pulled up towards my main targets anyways. I think we still have a little bit room up to 625 on QQQ.
900
Yeah,
then.
so that's kind of what I'm looking for over the next couple days, I think. And then maybe pull to new all-time high. Maybe not all-time high yet, actually. Maybe this zone up here to fill this imbalance. Up to 630. 630 will be our breakout for all-time high, I think. But yeah, everything is basically the same thing. Not much really has changed. Besides some of the targets being hit.
I don't have that imbalance on the 4-hour on Nasdaq. Only on the daily. I have
Most of it's been
26.
filled, that's why.
Yeah, I have one at daily, which is at 26 to 60.
You don't have this, right? Or it's a
No,
gap, actually.
it's
Interesting.
filled on Nasdaq for me.
Oh, from here? Probably.
900.
Yeah,
Yeah.
from this move up right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
But we have a daily gap higher.
take a look at AVGO. We haven't really looked at that. We should start looking at that more.
UPS is up pre-market even more, I think. If I saw
Yeah,
it,
I think it's at
3%.
105 or something like that. It's up a lot. So I may actually close that position today. I don't know if anybody's in that with me for the long term, but yeah, probably will close UPS today.
NBO, seen some buyers also. Okay.
Yeah, it's just a buy and hold name there. AVG is kind of setting up in an H setup here.
Oh, it
I
is.
really like
Oh.
it on a daily. It could hold a higher low still, but kind of like
Where was you entering now again, Alex?
on what?
Oh, no, and not AVGO, and NBO.
NVO.
Yeah,
My average I think is like 52,
yeah.
something like that.
Yeah, we saw that squeeze from 50 to 56.8.
Mm-hmm.
T7.
Is it back up?
Yeah, it's 57.
Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, we dipped down to like low 40s, I thought, or low 40 something again. So that was another
Yeah.
buy opportunity there, but let's see what UPS is at. Yeah, 105 here.
Yeah, yeah, I saw it
Nice.
when it was 106 almost. I think I was like, wow. Alex, sorry, I have a question for you.
Mm-hmm.
My 5% account, I can take payout every 14 days. Should I just take everything I can? I will have 10k static either way, because the drawdown
Yeah,
doesn't go up like
yeah,
future account.
yeah, sure.
Should I just take as much as possible ball every time?
Yeah,
Because when I make 10%, they're gonna scale my account.
yeah,
Like
we don't need that.
so they're gonna scale it either way because it's not calculated based on gain. Okay. Yeah. Market open. Shit. Sorry.
Market open. Alright. I don't know if we have data today. Do we have data today?
ECM and Yolt at 10.
Oh. Wait, today's Wednesday
Yeah.
already? Wow.
Yeah.
Where'd the time go?
Yeah.
I feel like the week was dragging when I was on vacation. Now it's like Wednesday already. That's crazy.
Because you have so much more fun trading with us
Yeah,
than free time. Yeah.
probably. I didn't even get to look at NQ yet.
Yeah.
Oh well. I did record yesterday's session, by the way, and I did upload it, so if you ever want to
Nice.
watch it again, I think I want to try and start doing that again.
Awesome.
We'll see
Yeah, I
how
like
long it
that.
lasts. See how long it lasts. Oh, there's Hugo. We were just talking about him. Hugo's here.
Yeah. Hello, Hugo. We miss you.
Happy New Year's.
Yeah.
So I do have a level here. We're holding right at VWAP and the 9 EMA.
CVD looks good here.
SPY opened up below previous high of day and overnight high, but we did just put in a new all-time high there on that opening pop. Minor
Yeah.
opening pop. New all-time high right there. And I kind of got the bot working
Oh, nice.
yesterday. It's not up. It's probably not going to be up today, but I think it'll be up tomorrow.
Awesome.
That'll be at 106 here pretty soon, I think. Yeah, this 104 break on UPS is pretty big, so I think we should get some pretty quick momentum up to 108, I think. Maybe 110. But yeah, definitely not a bad idea to sell those shares there. Popping up here on Q's. Can't really tell what's pulling us. Nah, Google.
Google, Microsoft,
Microsoft.
Meta.
Yes. Nvidia kind of got bought there a little bit as well.
Yeah.
SPY is selling here though, so we are getting a divergence.
Yeah.
It's interesting. Oh, it makes sense though. It is sitting at all-time high.
Yeah. It is going up here. I like that buy down there, 780. Long for overnight high period. On just NQ alone. Looks good for me.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
Not ES, not ES, but
Yeah, off the opening drive though, so
yeah.
P hot coming in. There it is.
Yeah, that would be my target. I was long on that VWAP break there. On opening price. 830. 840.
UPS is at 106 now. Yeah, it's moving. Nice momentum there. SPY getting some momentum here as well, actually. Kind of flipped. Held VWAP there. I said targets of 625 on Qs, right? So we still have room for me, I think, if we want to actually clear these highs. We have to clear this overnight high though, but yeah, it looks pretty good, I guess.
Video selling with Apple again.
Watch for the retest long here. Oops.
Oops, what?
No, I dropped my phone.
Oh.
Decent backtest there. 800 psych. Looks so good.
UD going down slowly here. But yeah, I agree.
I want a VWAP entry though.
Because this 840, 850 can be hard
Yeah.
to show, right?
Looks kind of good though.
We have a lot of data at 10 a.m. So ECM plus yields. So they're going up here again. Mostly driven by Google and Microsoft here.
Yeah. Almost that resistance for Google though. P hot
Yeah,
coming in.
yeah. Very close.
I think we'll be able to take out the high though. This looks really good.
Yeah. Up to 850 or so. 840, 850. Just. That would be what we were looking for on that backtest long anyway, right?
Mm-hmm.
I want a 795 there. Just a little bit lower, but it didn't.
Yeah, that's literally what I'm.
Yeah,
795 as well. Just that's literally VWAP on QQQ.
yeah. Just shy on it. No. Because then you could get at least 40 points on that long.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this will be BE stops maybe
Yeah,
right here.
yeah, or scale out half and B stops, I think. Can be a quite hard area. With ES still at.
Yeah, they got a nice close above previous high day there on the 5 minute.
Previous just went right to P odd for me on Nasdaq. On the tick. There.
You know, this might be
Did
able to
your
still work for long, actually.
my P odd an overnight high is higher than this. It's
On
we ticked
Qs
P
or
odd. No, Nasdaq. Yeah.
oh yeah, we just tapped into it.
Yeah.
I have my P hot on NQ at 837.
Yeah,
45.
838 for me. Yeah, right here. See some more buying on CUD. Yeah, good. Yeah, there we tapped when I tie also.
Oh yeah. There's the poof up to should get 625 here.
Yeah. Oh, what a shallow pullback. Then
Yeah.
nice upside.
All right, now I need to reevaluate my long idea, or maybe even look short. Yeah, we should have room here.
Yeah, we have previous week high at 895 or 900 here, at least. That's the first target for me. Previous week high, which is 50 points upside. Google hitting resistance very soon here. But yeah, Tesla looking good here with kind of light tickers today. Not like yesterday when I didn't like them as much as. Yeah.
Yeah, I like them as well.
EF should go to 7K here, I think. Should be the next target, right?
Yeah.
7K. Above all-time high.
This is still a valid long here. It's a lot higher than I wanted.
No.
Don't want to try something risky here. Maybe. Looks kind of good still. Yeah, I'm long. 56. I'm gonna run a 20-point stop, I think. Pretty tight. Maybe let's do 25 actually. 25. So stop at 31.
Oh, 31.
Yeah, 25 points. I think
No.
might be able to just get momentum straight up to the 625 area. I think we'll look for like 1 hour or so. Not in love with the entry, but I think the likeliness of us gravitating towards that 625/900 area is pretty likely for me. That's why I kind of took this here. We do have that in 15 minutes, so
Yeah.
keep that in mind. Here we go. About to get into 625 here in a second, guys, so I think I'm gonna look for 900 here, maybe.
893 is previous week high. 894.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess then we'll look for just 900 then.
Yeah.
But
Slightly under it.
yeah.
Could be a good idea. Oh.
I should have waited for that 40 back test. Looks good still. I think. We did hit, no, really close. 624.93. Only a couple cents away. But we did hit my level. I do have a level here, so
Mm.
may want to be careful with this move. Right now, I'm paying attention to this higher low on the 1 minute. I don't know if you guys have the 1 minute up right now, but I'm
Yeah.
looking at this higher low. I want this to stay inside structure, otherwise I won't really like this setup anymore, I think. I want to see this momentum continue here. Is this a negative R trade? Depends if I trim here, obviously, but
Oh.
I think it's valid for me to trim here, I want to say. Not a lot of points, though.
No.
I guess it's something, though. 15, 20 points-ish.
We're at 60. I don't know.
Oh, earlier, at that,
Oh.
that
Yeah,
high.
yeah. Hmm.
Data in 10 minutes, guys. If we could get a slight pop. Just give me a slight pop and then I'll be happy. I would like to close this before data.
Yeah. 9 minutes left. I saw some selling there.
Get some buying before data here. That would be nice. Possible exit opportunity here. It's not a lot of points, but gonna see if I could thug this out a little bit. Maybe last second. What is our data today? Job openings, ISM. Not really sure how much. I don't remember how much that moves us. Might be our trim opportunity here, guys. There you go. 20 points. Almost. You should take this here. Or at least like close half and then maybe hold through data if you want, but Nvidia's popping up here, which is nice. We have some momentum on this move up here a little bit, I think. At least with Nvidia anyways, but some tickers aren't really moving too much. Google looks good though. Sold down there a bit. Five minutes till data. Nvidia's moving here. Nice pop here again. Should be our trim, guys. Yep. There we go. Okay, I trimmed. Or you could take full, since that'll be here in a second.
Oh wait, I was muted. I was talking this whole time. Oh my god. You guys must have so relaxed time. I needed to take that on 5%ers as they have a rule 2 minutes before and after high impact news, and ICM is high impact. So I needed to take it that on that pop.
It's alright. It's valid.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I scaled 10 there. So I'm gonna hold 5 through data.
Yeah.
See if we could get a little bit more momentum here.
I scalped that first move on my other account for 25 points because I had a 50 entry, and then I went in again at 50 and scaled again at 75. I have two left there. I have two left on that one, but I didn't move to B on that because data is coming. But that will be still positive for me if I get it.
Yeah, I'll still be green on this trade actually.
Yeah.
Basically break even.
Yep.
Insane.
Yeah, I'll be slight green, like $150 on 4MMQ, I think. It's like 15 points. 16. No, I wanted it to go there to that 900 previous week high. Could go with that though.
Mm-hmm.
I still like that target. 895. Or a week above would be 900. But we're kinda in a channel here on the low time frame. Right?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah,
Slowly high. Compressing. Nvidia popped a lot there, but
yeah.
Many of the other tickets actually sold instead, like Meta, Tesla, Google sold at that resistance. Pretty weak high, and Apple also. I still think we're gonna produce one more high here, even if it's gonna start sell, but we'll see. Ah, not a fan of that. If we're gonna lose this trend line, we should backtest P-Hod and overnight high and fill that imbalance to 835.
Let's see where dad takes us. 1 minute till daddy.
Yeah. Oh.
Send us up. Send us up.
Right to previous week high.
That would be nice.
Yeah, I expected a little bit bigger move there with before data. Didn't.
Nah, this is
The
kind of what I'm
channel.
looking for, honestly. I
No.
wasn't really looking for much.
I wanted that previous week high.
Yeah. All I had to do was just take the long from earlier and stop being picky about my entry. And now look
Yeah,
at me, I'm buying at
that's
56.
yeah, that would have worked. 820, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Here's data. Nothing.
Yeah, it looks decent. Not Google, but maybe not. Just
We're flagging here.
no. I got stopped there.
Yep, I got stopped there as well.
Oh.
Alright, well, there's the data, never mind.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not that often that we started this week that we like same thing. We both like it up to overnight high period and then 900. It's nice to see it. Like it both. Just shy of this
Slippage
week.
at that.
Yeah.
28.
I didn't have slippage there. Oh, weird. Oh. It must be a first. You have slippage and I don't.
Yeah, maybe.
Are you green?
Yeah, I'm still green. Like,
Yeah.
5 points.
Yeah. Very slight.
Green is green.
Yeah. Better than red.
No, wait. Give us some time. Let this move digest, and then we shall see what is next.
If data wasn't there, I think it was logical to actually all that to 900 even, or scale half there, because mostly that target was valid. I think even if we didn't see it.
Yeah.
Just so you know, Alex, I cannot trade red folders or high impact news on 5%ers 2 minutes before and after. But actually, I'm more green on my CFD because I took full because I couldn't hold it. I guess.
That's good.
Yeah, because they're not gonna like, oh, we're gonna terminate your account, but they will void the profits.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so
Yeah, it's good to take full. It was valid to take full there, honestly.
I really wanted that previous week high though. It was close. Would be magnets, but
I think we still could get it. This could just be a retest.
but ES sold quite a lot under overnight high there, all the way to back to previous week high.
Yeah, it might put a
So
new low, actually.
yeah, so
Close
so
to
they
it.
failed. So they failed to have acceptance of buyers up there, and now they sold to the low end. Should feel that. Should take out that liquidity under previous week high here. CVD actually went down slightly there on that drop, so no divergence for upside here for me yet.
See how we close here. If we lose VWAP or not.
I'm not psyched about either down or upside here. Me right now.
Yeah, me too. I want to wait here.
On Nasdaq, it's good for higher though, but ES took out liquidity. I guess it could be a back test, but liquidity sweep kind of see higher, but
Yeah, there's still momentum on some tickers. Tickers don't look bad here.
yeah,
Besides Meta.
I agree with that. We didn't hit VWAP on Nasdaq there.
No, we
He
didn't.
just went right up to overnight high p-hod.
If this
See
is
some buyers on
here,
CFD.
yeah, I'll be
Yeah.
pretty confident for this to take new high of day.
Yeah, 900. This week high should be the magnet.
Yep. Could make an attempt here. Maybe not.
I think this is more 50-50, but I could be wrong here. Balance. P-hod overnight high right here, right? So we are just backtesting that. That could set up for a lower high. And we could also see it clear this and push straight up to previous week high for me. Work as a resistance, and if we overcome it, probably gonna pop instead. See more buyers come in.
Based on tickers, it looks good here. Let's look at NQ chart. Bigger time frame. Yeah, we did run up to my targets here for upside, to be honest.
It could still hit previous week high here, and we create a higher high on the 30-minute.
Yeah, we still have that daily imbalance as well, up to 600 as well. So, yeah, it actually, it still looks kind of good.
Yeah. See some buying on the CVD here. Oh, it pushed above overnight high p-hod there.
I really don't like this entry though. Right in this.
No.
Based on the way it looks pretty good here.
Yeah, Nvidia popping nice here. But for me here, that's you kind of want this to go to previous week high here and not sell, right?
Yeah, his flag is still valid though, so it's fine if he closes a little bit lower.
Yeah.
Spy sold a little bit more though.
Do you have any upside target for Nvidia here? Would it be 192 here?
82, yeah.
Yeah, and then 193. I'm not in love with Apple and Google here. Microsoft. I
Microsoft
did
looks
bounce
effective.
VWAP. I'd bounce VWAP right, but could easily set up for 480 also.
I like the structure here on keys. It is setting up for higher here, looks like,
Yeah.
for me, but I don't like SPY right now. Looks quite bad.
We don't need to force it if it's not looking good enough, right? Yeah, if SPY was stronger, I would really like this previous week high still. I still think it's probably gonna come, but
Yeah, I
should be a
agree.
magnet. Should be a magnet. But we could technically go down to 800 here also, right?
Mm-hmm.
Flagging on the 5. It would be kind of deep though.
Yeah, that'd just be to the lower end of the range again, and if it gets
Uh,
bought, then it'd be nice. Yeah, we would have liked to buy off that VWAP tap on QQQ.
yeah. Yeah, before those resistances up
Mm-hmm.
there, because if that formed a higher low that was set up for VWAP on Nasdaq, the open price would be selling instead, and you will be able to be that or even get out on that pop above overnight high, PHOD 860, yeah, and then we target rest for previous week high instead. I like that more. Hugo disappeared again. Wonder.
Might be done for today.
Yeah, I think so. He's doing quite good though, right?
Yeah.
But I know that he takes your trade sometimes also, Alex. I don't
Mm-hmm.
know. Maybe just. Do you know why he does that? Like, come here, take some trades, and then trade some of his own, and then come.
So why? I think it's a good idea.
Yeah. Does it work or so?
I have no clue.
Oh.
I think so.
How is Scapegoat doing, by the way, when we're still
He's
sitting here?
he's working. I actually talked to him not
Yeah,
too long ago, but
yeah.
yeah,
He's
he
not
doesn't
trading
have
at all?
no, he doesn't have any time whatsoever,
Oh, yeah.
which makes sense.
Yeah. Does he plan to trade more later, or he doesn't know?
He doesn't know.
Yeah.
It's just all about time, to be honest.
Yeah. Yeah, if I had a full-time job, I would not be scalping or trading. I can't manage that. I mean, I did, because my job my previous job was similar to yours, Alex, with the time, so I could. But it's not easy to find a job like that
Hmm.
to be able to do both. It's nice though when you're able to. I mean, it's two incomes instead of one, right? It's nice. Yes, still selling here this
Yeah, I
week.
see that.
Uh, Microsoft. No, I mean Apple. If I'm buying, they're at 261.9, 261.4. Microsoft also saw buying at Wii up, but
Yeah, I'm not sure what to think here.
yeah, I'm not convinced. Yeah, not the smoothest price action here. Very slow, consolidating after that pop on the open.
Yeah, it might just be a long waiting game again.
Could argue this is a 1 minute flag, right?
Yeah.
Setting up for previous week highs too. Clear divergence with SPY here though. SPY actually is selling quite deep here, I would argue. Yeah, SPY is red. Yes, it's red on the day here. Well,
Yeah, put in a new low of day. That's kind of
yeah,
interesting.
yeah, no buying there on previous week high. We saw one pop and then it sold again to initial balance low here. Should have a bit more room down here. We have imbalances at 80, 79, and then overnight low. Yeah, it leaded Nasdaq there. I see some selling on the CVD here.
So maybe we'll get another retest in the VWAP then.
Yeah.
And then maybe it could bot up, because this flag setup is still valid. As long as we hold above previous high of day, we should still be good, I think. But
The problem is here on ES. I don't like ES here. We put in a new all-time high and we went under it. I think we could backtest pretty sizable down here. Typical see that quite decent move from, but we already had a decent move down though. But often see that on all-time high. You see a lot of liquidity and it sells quite a lot. Yeah, CD is going down here on that. I think tickers doesn't look bad though, if you would argue about that, right?
yeah, I think
Don't-
those look okay.
Yeah. I think Google could back this lower here. Tesla could sell, but overall the rest looks quite decent. We have a sell divergence here though on the 5 with the two highs here. It went down from 1900 to 700. Yes, this 5. It's quite a lot actually.
Is VWAP tap again? I think we'll see VWAP on NQ here as well.
I think we could see almost open price here. If you want to continue with overnight low on ES. I could be wrong. This is EB mid. 8:25.
Kind of like the spot to hold. Tickers still look kind of good here.
Yes, saw some slight buying there on CUD. Nothing major.
Yeah, if this gets bought here, we'll continue to hold the flag structure and
Mm.
yeah, it'll still be intact here.
And if it doesn't, we should see open price retest here instead.
Yep.
90 for me. Apple pushed above P-Lod there. Shouldn't ES go to overnight low here? Though, that's the only me. Maybe not. 977. 978. It's minor supply for me though.
I can't tell. Cannot tell here.
Very similar to yesterday. Move up,
Yeah.
consolidate. Oh, Intel is up a lot. Ocean centric. 8%.
Intel. Do they have news?
I think so. They're cheap, right, overall.
Mm-hmm.
Cheap for what they're doing. Been such a bad stock though, overall. Long term.
I might long this. This looks kind of good still to hold.
Mm.
I like the way this structure is kind of developing for this flag.
We're hitting the 1 minute imbalance slowly here, right here, 50. 52.
Oop, that's my dog.
Yeah. Want
Okay,
good to go outside?
I'm in
Oh.
long. 45. No, she's probably barking at the other dogs that are walking by.
So we'll have 15 as stop now?
Sorry?
15 as stop
Yeah,
then?
yeah. I'm gonna run 30 points. Yeah, I like the way this flag is still setting up. I think it's still Yeah, it still looks valid to me.
Stop loss right at the low.
Yeah, right at the low.
Yeah.
But I think we would want to see this go here. I probably wouldn't want to see this go make another leg lower and then. Oh, well, it's possible actually, but I guess we'll see.
Yeah,
We
ES
put
is
it.
still selling.
Should we put it below VWAP? Like 810? It's
You
only
would
10
have,
points.
yeah, I think you would have a stop under 812 then, right? And
Mm-hmm.
that's, oh, I see, yeah. Mm. Sure.
Yeah, whatever, it's fine. We'll leave it. Because I am up 5 points on the day already. So I could use that buffer to be normal minus 30 points, but then again, if I actually make 30 points, I'll actually be up 35 points on the day.
Yeah.
I think this entry is okay though. I don't mind it. I think 45 is decent. At least based on how we're setting up for right now. So we will look for 900 here then, right? 5-minute flag structure. If we draw it from the flagpole, we should actually look for like 915, 920 here, based on the flagpole.
Oh, I don't like it above previous week high though, but oh.
Alright, so something like this, I guess.
ES still selling kinda. It's not seeing that side movement we need to see. Apple sold again there. Still holding this imbalance, didn't push above. Mm. Not a fan of that. Wanted to see it go higher there. Looks like ES want to go to overnight low here instead. Could still hold here though. That was minus supply. Fill imbalance. A low, but
Yeah, I still think this looks good.
I'm back.
Welcome back. Yeah, I still like this. I think we should still be okay. It might just take a little bit of time to develop, but I think once we get the
Oh,
breakout, it should move pretty quickly. for that 900, I'd say. $20 here though.
Hmm.
20 points, 20 points. Yeah, this looks good. This looks like a nice
Yeah, that's good.
breakout here. 30 points here. 30 points, guys. I think it makes sense for me to hold this for new hive day as my first trim.
I took up one there. Just one though. Is higher stop is valid or not? I'm not sure.
What is your stop? 15 right now? You could. Maybe like
I think 8-8 is so high probability though.
30 is actually valid here. 30 stop. 15 points of risk. That's not bad.
Yeah. Dum, dum. Dum, dum. Dum, dum, dum. Be listening to my relaxing music. I think scale out half at new high and rest at you want to see us wick about 900 or slightly under it. That's something like that, I would argue. Previous week high could wick quite a lot, but it could wick on the upside also. Just this is so slow, Alex. What is this price action overall today?
I mean, this week. I feel like opening
Yeah,
drive has
yeah.
been the best thing.
Yeah, opening drive and then slow down super much. I'm not a fan of ES here. That's the only thing here for me.
I think I might be able to back this view up there. But yeah, technically on the 5-minute close, we have a break of structure here a little bit. Based on the candle close, but not really the high yet. This is the first retest on the 5 though. We're gonna get here.
Yeah, ES need to hold that trend channel, go up above previous week high. It took out the imbalance and sold and didn't reach VWAP, but Tesla looks good here. Microsoft looks good. If Apple could pop here and Nvidia stop selling, with Google actually also holding VWAP here and push higher, it should produce that 900 push. Ba, ba.
Yeah, I'm not really sure what target would be here, Samir, but I guess 900.
Yeah.
We'll look for new hive day for sure as our first trim. And then 900, I think. And then maybe a draw through 900. So yeah, like 913, 910 or so.
Yeah.
10 to 15 point draw between past 900 psych is what we'll look for
I'm
final exit.
I'm gonna I'm gonna say the 8R is kind of slow, so big wick above previous week high is not sure it's gonna get. It could set up for a backtest there to 870 again, and then possibly go to 940. It's my second upside target. So I think taking on a push above high, yeah, kind of like this,
Yeah,
and then
like this, yeah.
taking some off here and then look for rest is not.
This is our trim spot here, guys. I wanted
Yep.
that. 85 though. Let's see if we'll get it. Yeah. All right, here we go. Take your trim. I'm out half.
Uh, I have
86.
one left here.
Not bad.
Mhm. Oh, I had a great day today, Alex. Wow.
Nice.
Oh.
Good.
I took 25 point scalp on that first, and then I took a BE trade. So I was up like 20 points. I took a little loss on that second trade. And then so I was up 20 points. I took one scalp at 72 here, and then two more at 81.75. I have one runner left for previous week high or above here. Yeah, solid day for me. Up 57 points, I think.
Very nice. Very nice.
I'm back to BE with Alex now with this if it doesn't overshoot 900. So it is going up here. Overall from that contraction move with that back test. But I mean, this is
Yeah, full exit there also is valid. It's pretty decent
yeah.
points.
Yeah.
40 points.
Because this is EB high. This could just be this previous week high could be a hard. If it doesn't want to trend, this could be a hard
Yeah.
place. But ES is above we up here, so it looks
Yeah.
good
I
for
think it
one
looks
push
better
high
too.
here. If Nvidia was at a better place, I would be 100% sure here. As we're gonna see
Yeah.
900 plus.
Should see
Yeah.
900 here. There we go. Yeah.
Just uh,
I'm gonna take more here, guys.
yeah. I'm taking my last. Wait, come on.
Here we go,
A bit more.
95.
Yeah, I'm 97 here. I'm out full here.
Nicely done.
Mm.
Yeah, 900.
Perfect. The trade went exactly where we wanted. That this is the spot overall on the scalp way. Yeah. This could break and continue higher though, but scalping wise, this is the target.
I have two left here. Let's see if I can get this
So it
one.
is still going up here. This looks great overall,
Yeah,
but
might be able to get that draw. I might just
yeah,
take this here though.
940 would be my last target here for me. If you really wanna try to hold that, but yeah, I am out, so I really like this target.
Yeah. Alright. Everybody should be green on the day.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Oh, you're 1k plus. No, you're not 1k plus total, Samir, right? 501. I'm 500 on. Yeah. Oh yeah, I had a really good day. Wow. Yeah, that 25 scalp made a huge difference for me on that first.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Only because of the news. Damn good. Was chickened out. I couldn't hold. But I was like 20 points behind you this week, Alex. So now we're very similar. I think you're ahead by like 3
Might be
points or
up a little
something.
bit, yeah.
Yeah, 3, 4, 5 points, something like that.
Unless this rips to like 950 and then.
No, stop, Alex, stop. But you don't have a size on now.
No, I don't.
Oh, nice.
Two contractors.
Awesome hits. We get the DM now. The Russian and Venezuela and Iran war is over, and we push 1,000 points in 1 second. And you just laugh at me, Alex. Oh, okay, you took that first trade. Oh my, yeah, Samir, you had a better day than me then. Oh my god. 2K, I would be up on one Nasdaq. I would be up like 1300, which is super solid also. Damn you. I don't know. Hello, Da Koala. I didn't see him here. Oh, he's one of the founder, right? With you?
Yep.
Yeah. He trades still.
She trades.
Oh, he does. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, 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 oh,
Oh.
whoa. Okay, I got tagged. What was that?
Might be a news.
That most definitely news.
Oh no. Previous week high.
Wow.
Previous week high.
It's 100 points
Yeah,
down?
yeah.
Hold on. 901.
Oh, well, at least I got tagged in profit. Got tagged in profit.
Wow.
That's all
Oh,
that
nice.
matters.
Yeah, that was almost no size anyway. Oh, well done.
Wow. Nah, that's definitely a news candle. So
That's why you have a stop loss on.
yeah.
That would
That's not
not be
solid.
fun. Like solid green day and that like, phew, okay. That's how you enter rage trading again. Start revenge trade.
Wow, what a move.
So Alex, why didn't you get that short from previous week high?
Yeah.
Two we up. Two we up.
Still in my long there. I had two
Uh,
more. I wanted that 900. I couldn't get a exact fill for 900 though.
uh,
Oh, oh well.
Great day. Great day.
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
Cannot complain. Yeah, I gave up about extra 20 points ish. 15,
Yeah.
20 points on that those last two. So it's not that end of the world, but
No, that's like 5 points on full size or even less, right? 4 points.
yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, maybe it's not news.
No, I think that was just previous week high. I said it, right? See, strong reaction of, yeah. It does that so often. And we took out that liquidity and hit VWAP. Perfect, right? So
Yep.
if you was fast there.
Interesting. Yeah, liquidity run maybe. Alright, we got our move. We got our move.
Oh no, Ocean was long at 74. Oh my god.
Long at 74.
Sent me. Yeah, he got stopped at 34
Oh,
with that drop. Oh my god. Yeah, that's
unfortunate.
yeah. If he was here, he would be
Yeah.
in profit.
Tell him to
But
come, Philip. Tell him to come.
Is
yeah,
he here? Is
no,
Ocean
he
here?
has his own channel. Me and him had talked about him coming here instead.
Yeah, tell
'Cause
him to come here.
yeah, because he wanna talk also, right?
You're right.
So yeah, because he just like alerting for some people now at his own channel. But I that,
Yeah, he
he
can
sent
come
me
here.
he sent me like 40 like you know. I think he's frustrated by that. Yeah.
It'd be nice to have
So,
another analyst, I guess.
yep.
He's not getting paid, but it'll be nice to have him.
Oh, I can start showing trades every day if you start paying me, Alex. Just like 10K a month.
10K a month.
Yeah,
10K a month
yeah.
for you to copy my trades.
No. I signal all trades for everyone every
Oh
day.
yeah, really? Okay.
Uh, no, I will not copy you then. I will still copy you, but I have a lot of trade ideas, so it's fine.
Okay, cool. Alright.
Yeah.
You can do it for free.
It's just so it's just so hard, being here and trade with you, and I trade slightly different, but I trade with you and then trade myself.
Mm.
I don't with kids. I don't really have that time because the afternoon session I'm always swamped with my kids. You know, I need to make afternoon food. I need to go outside and play with them, and I need to do their homework. So so if I'm trading myself, I'm trading this time, and then I cannot trade here, and then I'm gonna be lonely, and I don't like that. Yeah, and it's not like I'm better trader than you. I'm slightly worse. So it's.